Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great day, your last weekend before Thanksgiving. Exciting times. Hopefully you get to spend some time with your family. Hey, listen, want to talk to you about a pretty big lawsuit that the verdict came down a couple weeks ago, and just been thinking about it a lot. And that is in federal court in Missouri, I believe. A bunch of home sellers sued their broker, alleging that the broker fees were not, wasn't transparent. It was an antitrust violation in that they were colluding together, where the seller had to pay the buyer's broker, and it was as a result of collusion. The fees were too high. It wasn't transparent, and as a result, it was unfair to the home sellers. The whole process was unfair. Basically, had the whole residential broker process on trial. Took it all the way to trial and got a pretty stunning verdict, $1.8 billion verdict against the National Association of Realtors and Keller Williams, and there's another brokerage firm in there. So pretty huge verdict there, and that has huge ramifications for the industry. First of all, for the residential industry, I think you'll see a few things. I suspect this is just pure speculation. Obviously, they're going to appeal, and so this lawsuit's going to go on for a while. But I think it'll have some immediate effects on how brokerages behave going forward, and that's going to include, I doubt going forward that sellers will pay for buyers' brokers' fees, which means buyers will have to pay for their own, which means, I suspect the home prices will come down a little bit. Will buyers even continue to have brokers or agents? I don't know. I think that's kind of up in the air right now, and we'll have to see. But undoubtedly, it'll be a big change. And then on the commercial side, will it have any effect? This was strictly about residential. Commercial is a little different in that, commercial contract is from two usually educated or informed parties that are represented by counsel. They should be represented by counsel. And so more often their agreements are allowed to stand, are allowed to stick, and through court systems and everything. So it's possible there's less of a change. So I think it's very possible that you could see sellers no longer paying for buyer's agent. I mean, I think that's, I don't know for sure, but I think that's quite possible. And it's something that commercial brokers really need to think about, and how they're gonna how this affects them and how it will affect their business going forward. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Please sign up for our blog, our podcast, and our email. Thanks a lot. Have a great one.